In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a map to your Squarespace website. Whether you're running a small local business, a trendy restaurant, or a global chain, integrating a map can make it super easy for your audience to find you. So let's dive in and get started with adding that all-important map to your Squarespace site. First things first, we'll head over to your Squarespace website. You've got your browser open and you're logged into Squarespace? Great. Go ahead and navigate to the page where you'd like to add your map. Once you're there, locate the Edit option to get into the page editor. This is going to be your workspace for adding new elements or blocks to your site. Next, you'll want to click on the Add Block button. Imagine this block as the building component where your map will reside. Just scroll through the options until you see one labeled Map. Click on it and voila, your map will now be part of your page. Now, with your new map block successfully added, it's time to fine-tune it by clicking on the Edit option. This action brings up the map's editing menu, where you'll make all the tweaks needed to ensure it meets your specifications and fits seamlessly into your site's design. Continuing on, click on the Content panel within the map's editing menu. Here, you can enter the specific location or address you want displayed on your map. Ensure you enter it as precisely as possible so your visitors don't end up at the wrong Starbucks on the other side of town. After setting the location, switch to the Design tab. Here's where you can let your creativity run wild. You'll be able to control the map's layout, and even aesthetic. Make sure it aligns with your overall website theme. Maybe you want a minimal layout or prefer something more vibrant with custom colors, and take the time to make it visually appealing. Once happy with the design, focus on the zoom element. Play around with this setting to decide just how close or far you'd like users to view your map initially. Close-up might be great for small towns, while a zoomed-out view might work better in sprawling cities. Moving on, the Label Switch button is another handy feature. Clicking on this can toggle your map's labels, such as street names and points of interest. Decide whether you'll need them visible based on the functionality and focus of your site. Don't forget the Terrain button as well. This feature provides a detailed view of geographical elements like rivers and hills, adding depth to your map. Experiment with having this on or off to see what complements your design better. Finally, the Controls button is your friend for interactive features. Do you want users to pan and zoom freely? Enable all controls. If you prefer a static map, you might limit these interactions. And there you have it, a fully functional map on your Squarespace website. These steps will ensure that your visitors can easily locate your business, helping drive foot traffic and online engagement. Keep experimenting with these tools to create a map that truly represents your brand and vision. Thanks for watching, and happy mapping!